And you know what I see the worst with our education system right now is that, at least where we studied, right, the people that are becoming teachers right now,
Yeah.
we're not even getting good grades in school. The
Yeah,
quality
correct,
of teachers
correct,
is
correct.
awful right
But
now.
it was the same case with back then as well. But लेकिन उसमें बस problem ये था कि there were not even enough people educated. यानी कि समझ रहे हो ना? It was still the same thing. Like
अच्छा.
if you're a brilliant, I still know a couple of teachers, like specifically the female ones,
Yeah.
who are really brilliant, but they still taught in our school. Like there are a lot of bunch of teachers, like
Yeah.
especially female, because हम लोग जो like the older generation society जो था ना, the male used to go out there to work and the female used to do like the household work, maintain the household, right?
Yeah.
And वो जो system था, the nucleated family जो भी है,
Yeah.
you want if the lady, she wants to do some work, then women of the household, if she wants to do some work, she has to do something that is like much more easier on herself, because she's maintaining the household as well as doing some work.
Yeah.
Twice the amount of work for her.
Yeah.
Right? So they used to go and become teachers.
Yeah.
And these used to be brilliant people. Right?
Yeah.
So we used to have very good teachers.
Back in the day, at least
Back in the day.
we got some good teachers.
Some good teachers. We used to had, like for that particular education level, we used to got really good teachers. And
For certain subjects, yeah.
The only reason they were good teachers is because, because of the system that was built up at that point. Abhi, what you have is like, you don't have that kind of a family anymore. Like people don't really tend to households that much. You have more of like this maid system, and someone will work for you, clean up the household for you. Right? So you don't have that system anymore. And everybody is going after like the typical job. They're educated, so they want a good job. And the logic is simple, no? अगर तुमको अच्छा company में नौकरी मिल रहा है with good pay, why do you go to a school and like कम salary पे काम करोगे and teach kids? Right? You won't. Nobody would.
Yeah.
Most ये जो तुम्हारे coaching centers वाले जो हैं, these are made by failures, like people who could not crack exams and जाके अभी सिखा रहे हैं. No, I recently got a joke. Most of them, not all of them.
A couple of them are
good.
You have to stress on the keyword, bro.
Yeah, I generalize कर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
So I'm going to squish in some information that is not
I agree, bro.
Right, and I recently got a meme है, हाँ, Instagram में ये. Right, कुछ exam हुआ था recently, government का, I forgot the name, because I'm not keeping track up with all these exams. And the meme was that मेरे coaching center का teacher भी pass नहीं हुआ. The exam was hard. and the meme was that वो भी pass नहीं हुआ, तो that just shows the exam कितना hard था. But वही.
Yeah. So guys, that. Give me 1 minute. Clear. Yeah, so guys, tell us what you liked, what you did not like. Tell us what you think is going to happen in the future, in 5 years' time. Right now, we do understand that it is not at the level that, you could automate everything. But in 5 years' time, imagine क्या होने वाला है. तो if you know कि अगर होने वाला है तो अभी से preparation start करो.
We are going into the world ना जहाँ पे क्या नहीं आ रहा है. We are developing quantum computers and stuff. Like quantum computers can, if they actually work the way they do, and the thing is that the hypothesis is that having a quantum computer can basically allow you to train AIs faster and much more efficiently. Because when you train a model, what essentially happens is you put an input data. There's a bunch of nodes and stuff जो neural network है. There's an output. When you train the AI, you have to tell him कि ये input के लिए ये output होगा. You adjust your nodes accordingly. So it's like a backward propagation of वो चलता है, of the thing. Like manually it has to adjust stuff just so that for this input it can get this output, right? A quantum computer, it does not exist at that scale to pull this off, but if it does, can just do that backwards propagation almost instantly.
Right.
Instantly fine tune it to the right जो भी configuration होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
So you don't really need like data centers of GPU. You just need a very good quantum computer. It can do all the training for you.
Yeah.
And it can do much faster and much better. Right? So
yeah, quantum computers.
We have no idea what is going to happen.
इस decade के end तक आएगा.
Yeah, we have no idea what is going to happen in the next 10 years. Yeah. Seriously, we have no idea.
Yeah. It's going to be crazy. But as long as you keep skill stacking, I think कुछ ना कुछ तो काम आ ही जाएगा यार.